how to disable Gemini AI Assistant from Google on Android device. I'm creating updated tutorials showing you how to turn it off, how to uninstall it, and in this video session I'll show you how you can disable the Gemini digital assistant from Google from your Android device. All you need to do is press on Settings, App on your Android device, and search for digital assistance or assistant, because Android phones gives you an option to select your default digital assistant. So if Gemini is your digital assistant from Google, then you'll have Google selected by default. To be able to disable Gemini on Android, simply select None for your Android device digital assistant app. Then go back to Settings. Here, press on Google, press on All Services, press Search Assistant and Voice, and here you'll have an option Digital Assistant from Google. Let's press on that. Here you'll have Gemini selected still, because this is part of Google app right now. Previous step was part of your Android device itself, not part of Google. Then to disable Gemini, select You can turn off Digital Assistant from Google completely. So once that is turned off, let's go and see if that has worked. Let's go back to our settings, and here, okay, I want to go back to Search Assistant. Here let's select Gemini. You can see turn on Gemini in the app because it's disabled. That is how you disable Gemini on Android device.